Gradle on Mac. Install the CLI. Verify. Start with the real error. If Gradle is missing, install Gradle with Homebrew. Homebrew also Gradle is linked, and openjdk is available for builds. Verify the exact Gradle version. Set Java home to the Homebrew JDK so the Gradle wrapper can run from. Now, Java is visible in this shell, not only inside the home. Create a clean demo folder before generating. Run Gradle init for a Java application using the Kotlin DSL, and the generated project includes an app module, settings file, wrapper, and Gradle folder. Run the wrapper test command. The first run downloads the Gradle compiles the app and the generated test sources. Builds successful means the Gradle project is actually working. Now build the distribution. This creates the jar, and the build task finishes successfully with real Gradle tasks. List the distribution folder to prove the app archive exists. Run the generated app with the Gradle wrapper. The app prints Hello World. That final check, Gradle and openjdk are both visible. Gradle is ready.